nautical mile or less. Thursday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Loudoun County in northern Virginia, east central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Clarke County in northwestern Virginia, north central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, the northeastern city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, southeastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Martinsburg to near Oatlands, moving southwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Winchester, Martinsburg, Charlestown, Millwood Pike, Purcellville, Ranson, Berryville, Inwood, Middleburg, Round Hill, The Plains, Delaplane, Oatlands, Corporation of Ranson, Bluemont, Marshall, Boise, Hamilton and Midway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until